Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2008 Honda CBR600RR. This bike's got just under 16,500 miles on it and is in excellent shape. It's had a very minor tip over on the left-hand side, which I'll show you when we go around, but very minimal. So let's take our walk and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, the front end of this bike is very clean. Front tire, great shape, got a lot of miles left on that. The only aftermarket accessory on this bike are the frame sliders that come with it. But tank, excellent. Seat, excellent. No rips, no tears. Dent, no tank, no dents. The tank, no dents, no scratches, no rock chips. Back tire itself is still in good shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. So with the gentle tip over on the left-hand side here, here's what we've got. We've got a little wrinkle in the sticker here, a little scuff on the engine cover, a little scrape on the edge of the mirror here. But other than that, that is it. Like I said, it was very gentle. Just a super sharp, clean bike. 16,482 is what's on it. This CBR600RR will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 8,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.